let's go. Would you ask me questions or just I have to go?
Just tell us first of all what is
Okay. So
exactly.
today's event is we bringing in Manoj Manchu's. It's a bringing in party, and we are in the city, and I think they are the who's the who of Hyderabad. So we have invited them over here. It's their party, and after that, I mean, you ask me questions, I'll tell you.
So you said what is your favorite food of it all? What is your
You have to like keep going and keep telling all those things, and or would you ask me questions
no,
about
you
that?
just tell us what is actually happening, what you want to tell us, all these things you first tell us. After that we'll ask related questions also.
Okay, okay, okay. I'll keep.
First of all tell your name and start.
Okay, okay, okay. My name is Vartik. There, I'm a founder of One It Commune, and tonight it's all about Manoj Manchu's bringing in. It's his birthday tonight, and first wait. So my name is Vartik Tiara. I'm a founder of One It Commune. Tonight's event is all about Manoj Manchu. We are bringing his birthday tonight, and as you know, One It Commune is we are expanding throughout the country. Now we are in 5 cities, and we are 8 outlets already. Now we are in Hyderabad, and we have Virat Kohli's special food menu as well, in which his top favorite is mushroom googly dim sum, super fruit salad, avocado tartar, and as you can see, the outlet it's all about earthy look, and we going more modern with it, and we have different sections here. That zone is more of high energy. This one is more of dining area over there, and we have our house-based cocktails as well. Uh, Paluma cocktail is there, and uh, caramel popcorn cocktail, which is bourbon based cocktail. And yeah, so
So what is your special items of this one eight? What's one main special item signature dish in one
okay. So wherever we go, 80% menu remains the same, 20% is region to region. And for Hyderabad, we have included soya halim and Hyderabadi biryani in a bamboo way style. Uh, we have done a little bit creativity there, and a couple of more dishes because people love to have spicy food here. So we have like chili paneer, and we included those spice in our like couple of dishes, not all the dishes. So yeah, combos.
combos? Any special combos?
Combos. We have Lebanese combo. We have commune combo. Like it's a big platter over there, and uh, the offering is very approachable and simple. Oh yeah.
What is the difference between your outlet and the others outlet? When we compare,
I
what
think
is the
I think
difference?
I think one thing is there that you know about that uh, Virat's following is massive. It's like to a kid, to youngsters, to mature people, to adults. So we cater and we have that kind of cuisine as well. We going for global cuisine, offering for everyone, from pizza to Indian to I mean South Indian food, Pan Asian. We have we have a lot to offer in our menu, and we have uh, few elements which we carry everywhere. Like you can see Virat's jersey over there, and it is signed by Virat as well in all the outlets, and its signature as well. That's his signature wall over there. Few elements that we carry everywhere wherever we go.
What about the quality? How is the quality and how which type of qualities things are
You
found?
talking about food,
Yes,
right?
food quality
So
and
so
all.
as you know, as you know Virat, and okay, Virat doesn't drink, right? And he eats only vegetarian food. But to work with Virat, and as we know how Virat is, how competitive his nature is. So whatever we do, Virat is actively involved in the process. He tries everything by himself, and he gives a heads up on things.
One word about one eight means what you tell.
Adaptability for everyone
Wow.
and expanding. when I have to go. And Vartik Dara, I'm a founder of One It Commune, and as you know, that now we are in Hyderabad, and you've seen the interiors. It's earthy, it's boho. I think you are liking it. You're liking it, yeah, yeah. And I think wherever we go, our usual menu remains the same. It's like 80% we have the same menu, 20% we go region to region, and we add local flavors. As we added soya halim here and Hyderabadi biryani in a bamboo way to give that offering to Hyderabad and Hyderabadi. You know, we when we are in Hyderabad, we like to have spice, right? Spicy food. It is also there, and we have Virat special menu as well, uh, which includes mushroom googly dim sum, super fruit salad, and avocado tartar. That's what he likes. Like he's a vegetarian, so he likes that. And we have in-house cocktails as well. Paloma cocktail is there, which is gin based, and we have this bourbon popcorn cocktail as well. And our offering is very approachable and to everyone because Virat's fan base, Virat's following is from a kid to youngsters to mature to elders, all kind of we cater all age groups, all people. Yeah. So.
Yeah. And tell us what is the difference between other outlets and One Night? What is the difference?
Yeah, yeah. As I told you, his Virat's fan following is massive, and all age group, all community, they relate to Virat Kohli. He's a global star, right? Not only for India but all over the world. People show their love for him. So our menu is that we have global cuisine, we have Italian to Pan Asian to Indian. I mean, all kind of offering we have. So we cater to a lot of aspirational mass stuff, and that's why we are
What
a
is the
little different.
capability of this outlet? How many people can
Like
party
like
at a
it
time?
is 190 covers,
Okay.
and we have different sections here for dining. As you have saw, like you have seen the outlet. We have high energy zone to normal sitting dining place. We have outdoor as well. So 190 seater here, and to max capacity is 250. That's what we can go.
Coming to how much you are maintaining the quality?
Quality, as you know, Virat, how competitive he is, and he's actively involved in the process. And he's a vegetarian, so he tries most of the vegetarian dishes with us, and he gives us the genuine feedback. And until and unless it's not up to the mark or standard, he doesn't give us heads up.
Till now, how many outlets are here?
In 5 different cities, we have already 8 outlets. This is the ninth one. And I think Hyderabad would show us the same love that we are getting throughout the country. I hope that.
So, in future, if you are planning any another place in the Hyderabad?
For sure. I think I've already seen a spot in Financial District.
Okay.
And I've seen one in Jubilee Hills as well, but it's, I think, closer to this spot. So I'm more keen to opening in Financial District.
Thank you.